The following video is based on a decision by the Supreme Court of Wyoming. The husband, the appellant, and his ex-wife, the appellee, married in 2007 after executing a premarital agreement that outlined the division of property in the event of a divorce. The agreement stated that each party would retain their separate property and any future appreciation of that property. During the marriage, both parties acquired and invested in several businesses. After 15 years of marriage, wife filed for divorce in 2022. The trial court was tasked with dividing their assets, some of which had been commingled despite the premarital agreement. Commingling provision is a clause in a premarital or postmarital agreement that specifies how commingled assets will be treated in the event of a divorce. It can either protect separate property from becoming marital property, or explicitly state that commingled assets will be treated as marital property and divided accordingly. The absence of a commingling provision can lead to disputes, as courts may have to interpret the agreement or apply general property division rules. In this case, the premarital agreement lacked a clear commingling provision, which led to disputes about whether certain contributions and transactions were gifts, or if the assets had been commingled. The husband appealed the district court's decision, challenging the interpretation of the agreement, the equitable distribution of assets, and whether certain transactions constituted spousal gifts. The Wyoming Supreme Court affirmed the district court's ruling. The court found that the premarital agreement was clear and enforceable. It rejected husband's claims of asset commingling, and found that husband's contributions to wife's businesses and properties, including a $137,500 payment and property improvements, were gifts. Additionally, the court declined to impose a commingling provision that was not explicitly included in the agreement. The division of remaining marital property, including several businesses formed during the marriage, was deemed equitable under Wyoming's marital property statute. This case demonstrates that a well-drafted premarital agreement should explicitly address commingling and gifts to avoid ambiguity. In any marriage involving significant assets, consulting a lawyer is essential to protect your financial interests and ensure that the premarital agreement is clear and enforceable. For more details, check out the video description. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on U.S. case law. Thank you for watching.